So 10 key for the success. Okay. The first key would be this for the success. Okay. Make a notes of it. It will be very important. I have done a lot of interviews for the success stories. You can see the YouTube channel, but I have also do one-to-one discussion with a lot of people who are struggling. So my discussions are more with the people who are not able to succeed than the people who are able to succeed, so that I can know that what I need to deliver it. Okay, what I need to do it. So the first key thing which need to be done, never quit it. The people who are not able to successful, they quit it. Sometimes it can take a longer time. The average duration, I say it's a 6 to 9 months. 9 months is the average duration. It can take longer. No worries. Stay on, and then you would be definitely getting a success. So never quit. That is one of the thing is there. Never quit. Okay. To not to quit what kind of things you need to do it. To not to quit, you need to make sure you are high in energy. Okay. And you keep yourself motivated. So when I understand that how I make the people high in energy, how I can make them keep on motivated. So it comes to the live sessions like this, right? That generate the different kind of energy when we meet in the live. That's why I'm doing a lot of live session for the community every Thursday, bringing the people in, giving them some dose, giving them some recharge. When you want to learn something, you'll have to be high in the energy, and you need to keep yourself motivated. What kind of things will keep you motivated? This kind of live sessions will keep you motivated. So we understand your learning can be longer. So what other places happen that you join some course, it's a 2 months course, 3 months course, but your journey is longer. That getting a job sometimes takes 6 months, 9 months. Some people have also done with a year, right? So it can take longer, that we understand. So what we do it, we give you the access for full 1 year. So full 1 year, whatever the mastery sessions we will be doing it, the live session, you will be having a complete access to it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos. So in a phone live session in a year, there would be 3 to 4 gamifier modes from where we'll start from the scratch, and then we'll be quickly delivering it into the 2 months, the full training part of it. So that part would be done. So you would be having a complete access. You would be having this motivations and interactions for the full year. It's not kind of a one batch ka de diya or completed the batch 15. We want to make you successful, right? So we'll have to be there with you. We'll have to be stand with you. So we need to keep you motivated. That's why I don't call myself trainer. I call myself as a coach, because coach is the one, if you are sleeping and if you are not coming for your workout, he will come to your door, ring your bell, and keep you out of it. How many people receive the phone calls, their phone ring, and then they join the session? How many people receive the phone calls for as a notification for this session? Me in the chat box, and then they join the session, me, right? So that's where the different technologies, techniques we are putting it to make sure that even though if you don't getting demotivated, if you don't want to do it, we pull you yourself and bring it into the session and make force to you to get the things done. Because one thing, keep in mind that, that maybe you don't have a confidence on you, but I have a full confidence on you. Okay. I will not leave your hand until unless you get successful. Until unless you said you completely quit, I will keep on putting my efforts on you. Okay. So never quit. That's the key mantra to success. Good hold on to the business processes. Today, what I have explained, I have not shown you any SAP screen. If you want to see SAP screen, my YouTube is full of different videos explaining different processes. I have put it on sourcing and procurement. Get experience at how I show the system and how we do the things into the system. Business processes are very important. The tools can be changed. Today it's Ariba, today it's sourcing and procurement. Tomorrow it would be Coupa, SAP going down, Oracle will come. The tools can be changed, right? The business process does not change. The same business process will be there. It can be modified, improved business processes, but the core of the business process remains same. Make sure you have a good hold on the business processes. The good companies like Deloitte, PwC, when they're taking interviews, they're asking a lot of questions on the business processes to make know that whether you know the business process or not. All of the topics, when I start, I put a business impact to it, that what business require, what business does, and then how SAP supports it. So that initial part is very important when you're going through the training with me, with anyone else. Make sure that any business process, quotation process, go into deep, do some Google search, everything we will find it, but go a little bit one step deeper into the process. Good strong hold on the processes will get you a job. Not only to get you a job, you would become a very good consultant. You would be able to really deliver a value for your clients. Okay, good hold on business processes. Third part is clear concept. Get your concepts clear. Okay, the concept should be very clear. The concept, if the concept and the basics are clear, all things will come into the place. So concept should be very clear. That's where basically we will be doing a gamifier sessions. Our gamifier session would be happening every now the time has been changed. Every Wednesday, 7 a.m. we will be doing gamifier session. We will be focusing on the key concepts so that you know the key concepts in the gamifier sessions, right? So make sure your concepts are clear. System hands-on. Now I have done a analysis, the people who got struggle, who are not getting a job, right? I did a good analysis on them. There are some people without system hands-on, they are very smart, they would be able to crack the interview and would be able to do it. But the point is, who are not able to do it, what was the reason? They have not spent good time on the system. So when you have not spent good time on the system, when you have not done the system hands-on, then you struggle. Even though when you will get into the job, in job you will struggle. In the interviews, they will find it like this, key only theoretical knowledge, nothing on the system. So in our trainings, we'll be starting with the very scratch. Okay, I would be asking you to, from the scratch, creation of the company code, purchase organization, build your own system with the material master, everything you need to do in the system. Especially the people, this would be especially for the people who are looking their job or want to switch into sourcing and procurement. The people who want to cross-train themselves would not be that important for them because they are already in the job. They don't want the job. They have already a lot of system hands-on. But for them also, if they really want to do something in sourcing and procurement, I always prefer to be a hands-on, not only the theoretical. If somebody asks you to run a cycle, you should be able to configure from scratch and should be able to run it. So 80% of the people who are not successful, I found it, they are loose on the system. We give a lot of assignments. Okay, and those assignments, with that, we also give you 3 months of server access also, SAP S/4HANA latest version. So you need to follow the assignments, you need to follow the videos, and you need to complete your assignments. Okay, so system hands-on is very important. So I would be giving you just give me a minute. I would be giving you quickly showing you that what kind of assignments generally we give it. Okay, just give me a minute. I will show you now the part which we deliver it. I will be stopping my video so that you will be able to see it correctly. So this is a site, sourcing and sastrageek.teachable.com. This is Mastery SAP S/4HANA sourcing and procurement. And this is a dynamic content. This content, we keep on changing. The people who has seen this 9 months ago or 6 months ago, the people who would be seeing this, you would be seeing a lot of differences here. Okay, we keep on adding the new things here. So there would be mind maps, there would be explanations would be there, there would be assignments, procurement processes there, assignment process with the Fiori applications, where we'll be guiding you that how you need to do an end-to-end process. Okay, so that kind of attachments and the documents would be there to guide you. Okay, it's taking time to upload the document. I will go into the next by the time it's uploading. So the multiple videos would be there. And then with that, a lot of assignment, this is the enterprise structure assignment is there. A lot of assignments also would be there. So this is the enterprise structure assignment, how you need to create the full enterprise structure and you need to submit with the screenshot back. Okay. And then we have added so many assignments at the last, which we would be keeping it on. So these all things are assignments: capex purchase orders, procure to pay process, consumption purchase orders, stock PO with price difference, how you need to do it. These all things we have put it here with the explanation, with the screenshots. So the videos are there. And then we have also put it this process here with the screenshot, which you should be able to follow and do the things in the system. Down payments, if you want to do a down payment, how you can do the down payments, right? With the screenshot, full process has been explained here. So that you would be getting, it's a dynamic and we keep on adding a lot of stuff here. Now let's go back into the 10 keys. So system hands-on is very important. Make sure you do it. Master your CV. Now, mastery to CV is very important. The people who are looking for a job, you know that what is the first step between you and job is your CV getting selected for interview. I see CVs. I have so many thousands of CVs. I have reviewed it. Some are pathetic. People have done the training, and what they have mentioned, trained on SAP S/4HANA or trained on MM. That's it. And then other part, all talking about their operational experience. This is not the way we build the CV. So you need to build a beautiful CV, because that is the first thing in hand of the. It's not you in front of the HR. If it's not you, it's your CV. And it's not physical eyes now. Now it's the algorithms who scans your CVs, right? So you should be intelligent to understand those algorithms and make your CV based on that, so that your CV get selected. A lot of people get trained from the multiple institute, even from SAP. I have trained more than 36 people who trained with SAP came to us. We cross-trained them. We again trained them. They were not getting job. One of the reason I found it, these things which I'm talking about. They never prepared a good CV. So now to do this, we will be giving you a bundle, right? Let me also show you the bundle part. I think I need to go into the incognito mode to show you. So their bundle would be there. So let me, and Bhupender would be sharing a link for the bundle down. I'm showing you from here. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos. I'm showing you from here. Bhupender would be sharing the link. So in this bundle, we have given all of the things which you require to become a sourcing and procurement consultant. So this is the major content is there, right? And then we have added a very important thing here, which is this SAP Job and Mastery. So in this SAP Job and Mastery, there would be very additional things would be there, which either nobody is training, or if they're training, they're charging very high. We have put it into the same bundle. And it's apart from this around 50 to 60 hours of training, which you are getting for sourcing and procurement mastery, there is another 50 to 60 hours of training under the SAP Job and Mastery. There will be starting with the CV building. Okay, so here we have talked, it's a very detailed, around 2 hours, more than 2 hours I have spent, not 2 hours, 3 hours I have spent talking about how the CVs need to be built. And we have given the CV templates, we have given the reference CVs, which you can use it. A lot of CVs are there, templates are there. You need to go through this session, understand how to build a CV and prepare your CV accordingly. Okay, that's important to get a job. So that part also has been covered. Now, another, the sixth part to the success is support and implementation project exposure. Now, you need to understand, you are going to become a functional consultant. It's not a normal IT job. It's a very special job. Why it is special? You see the programmers, they do the programming, right? They do the programming at the back end, right? They don't have a lot of connection with the clients. They don't face the clients. The people who face the client should be more smarter, should be more intelligent, should be more experienced. In the case of the programmers, they have a business analyst in between who take care, who handle the business, and then who also talks with the programmers. Same business analyst roles is done into the SAP implementation by the functional consultants. So it's known as a functional consultant, but actual role is the business analyst role. You would be playing a business analyst role. Sometimes for the approval process flow, when we are discussing, you would be having a word with the directors or the VPs of the company. So you can imagine if I need to hire someone to do that job, I would be looking for some smart people, some experienced people. That's why people say ki everybody needs an experienced guy, how the fresher will get a chance. Right? But the thing is that the job is like that until unless it's a support project. For the implementation project, if you want to jump in, everybody wants experienced people because you are directly handling the client. In 1 week, the client say that this guy is not good, वापस लेके जाओ. A lot of people got rejected. The client will reject it. I don't want services from this consultant. You take it back. Give me the new one. Okay, that's why the experience is important. That's why not only you should know that what are the technicality of the business process, how to implement it, the technical part of SAP, sourcing and procurement. You should also know what are the things happen in a support project. What are the things happen in an implementation project. That also knowing that is also very important. Very, very important. A lot of people, you know, that they will try to show some experience, but because they don't have actual exposure, they will get stuck. So what I have done in this, that's why I say that this job and mastery would be becoming very important to get you job in. So what we have done here, if you'll go down to the curriculum. So I have in this part, I have completely explained that how SAP support project would be working. So you would be able to realize yourself in this program that you are working as a support consultant and what kind of things you need to do, solving a tickets, getting a tickets, tools, using everything, you will get it to know. And in this part of the part, I go and explain a real-time business. A real-time business I have explained, which I have done implementation. I completely explain what is this business, what does they manufacture, how they receive it, how they send it. Full part I have explained it here, right? So that you can imagine that this is a business for which I need to implement SAP. So if I need to implement SAP, how the enterprise structure need to be finalized for them. So that discussion has happened, real lifetime discussions happen, that how the enterprise structure need to be finalized, that is there. And then we go from phase wise in discover phase to implement for this project, which is the construction industry, manufacturing construction industry. What kind of things you need to do in discover phase, what kind of things we'll be doing in how the project team structure would be there. A lot of people get deselected because the question has been asked that, oh, okay, if you have worked in implementation project, what was the team size? And then people fumble because they have never worked it, right? They don't know it. So this will give you a feel that you have worked into an implementation project, and you would be able to get the all phases, explore phase, kya kiya hai, implementation, what we have done, all the phases, what are the things we have done has been explained here. So you will be make yourself into the realization of implementation and support. And then when you will go for interview, you will be going with a different confidence level. You know the things now. Okay, so getting an exposure is very important. Can you please? Okay, thank you. Now, another important thing is getting SAP Global certification. It's very important, especially not only now for earlier, I was saying that only the people, Saran, with from your device, I'm getting some annotations done here, right? Please stop it. Saran, please stop it, okay? So global certification is very important. So that's why I said that I have done the full analysis. I know what things you need. So you need to get the certification also cleared. So to clear the certification, we have also put a product in the bundle, which will help you. Now, this is a product you search throughout the world. You will not get any product like this for the certification. Now, people say that dumps are there, get the question. Now, this will, if you will see this, this is the another level. Okay, I've taken the game to another level. Let's see what it is. How you would be able to clear your TS452 certification. Let's check that. So let me go back into our bundle. So here you will see this TS452 certification questions. So what I have done, I have divided all of the questions which has been asked. So I don't call it dump, right? Why I don't call it dump, I will let you know. Okay, so I have divided all of the questions. Okay, it's here. Yeah, I have divided all of the questions into the different, the mind map also has been created. I will also show the exciting mind map you need to just go through, and you would be able to ready for the interviews quickly in 2 hours of time. You would be ready for the certifications, just getting interview done or just getting the certification done, everything would be refreshed in your mind within 2 hours. Okay, that kind of mind map has been prepared. You want to see that mind map? If you want to see that mind map, put on the chat window BIO, bring it on. BIO on the chat window. Come on, BIO, BIO. Thank you. Let me show you that mind map. So this is TS452 certification mind map. Okay, so where all the things, if I will explore this mind map, it's in very detail. That's why I say that it's not a dump. We are getting from the certification point of view also, a lot of things has been explained it here, and we go into the very deep of it. So if I go into the depth of the mind map, it's a very enriched mind map. In inventory management, what kind of question has been asked? Shelf life, there would be a question. So what do you know from the shelf life with SAP screenshots? So this will help you not only the certification, in interviews, this mind map would be very helpful. Okay. So a detailed mind map in the special processes, auto conversion from PR to PO, what things you should know, everything has been included here. It's a very deep mind map. So that mind map would be available here. And then what are the other things available? I was telling you that I have divided the things into the different. So this is the generic things which you need to know, that how you should be able to prepare for the certification. That video has been put it. Now this is account determination. People struggle with account determination. So I have given you the quiz for account determination, and these are the videos. These are the videos explaining them, that how the things would be happening. So this is a video explaining that how the configurations are there, what kind of question has been asked, and how to answer it, right? So in this one, what I have done, I have put it a question, and based on that question, I have explained the full process to it. So this is the question, and with the question, I have explained the full process in these videos, so that you, if the question has been tweaked in the certification or in the interviews, you have been asked some related question, you know the full concepts, so you would be able to answer it very clearly. So we have gone into the system also, we have gone into the screenshot explaining one question into the depth, so you will be getting a lot of conceptual knowledge also from here. So with that, you will be definitely clearing your certification. Okay. Even the question which I have explained, that does not come, no matters. With the concept clear, you will fly ahead. Okay. Back to the point number 8. So global certifications are important. Do the SAP global certification. That will give you a badge, right? That you are trained, you know the things. A lot of company in US, I was discussing in one of the company in UK, they were taking a fresher. I was having a discussion with HR that how you are taking a fresher. He said that certification is very important. That's UK HR for one of the very big consulting. He said that when we want to take a fresh people, we take their interviews, we try to ask the questions, right? But we also know that with 1 hour, we'll not be able to understand that how that guy deep is, right? So that's why we also depend a lot of in the certification, that a guy we have taken an interview without certification and the guy we have taken an interview with certification, we believe on the SAP process that they got certified from SAP. So at least they have some basic knowledge. So that's our criteria to select the fresher. That's from the UK company, one of the very big HR. I had an interview with him. So that's where basically it's getting very important to get certified, right? It will help you in your job search. Now, a lot of people get struggle because little bit of advanced questions also has been asked to them. What kind of advanced questions? About function specification. Have you built any functional specification? Do you know what is functional specification? How it would be built? Do you know what is BAPI? What is BADI? How to use it? Do you know the IDOC processing? So with the experience we have so far in the trainings, we found that experience is also important. So I have included that also in SAP Job and Mastery. So let's go back to Job and Mastery. So in Job and Mastery is a very deep course. Okay. So if you go down, we'll be coming here into the explore phase, fit and gap workshop, business blueprint, and then FS preparation. I have talked deep about the FS preparation, how the FS preparation need to happen, how the BAPIs would be used, how the bodies would be used. A full session on the BAPIs has been done here. Function specification preparation, the templates for the function specification, that has also been given here. How to do a conversion, how to do an interface kind of FS, that has been explained with the reference document. And then we have also explained in one big session of 2 hours, we have talked about ALEs and IDOCs. Okay, so that also has been explained. So these are the things which will be the additional thing apart from sourcing and procurement knowledge you will require to become a good consultant and to get a job. So we understand that, we have included that in the Job and Mastery. That would be the key part of success. If you would be able to know, okay, I also know IDOC, and if you would be able to explain that what is the IDOC process, you're going to select it for sure. You know, BAPIs, bodies, you're going to impress the interviewer. overview of other modules. We understand that you need to stick to the one modules. That overview you can do later on. We understand that your journey when you have booked with us will go for longer. That's why I have done this Thursday session where we are covering overview of the different modules, right? So overview of different modules has been covered here. So if you will go, we have also included step-up circles. One of our guy who got recently selected for in the, he did a PP training and he got selected in Accenture. Yesterday I was speaking with him. He said that most of the question was from QM. So what we do here, we understand that when you come to us, it's not about the sourcing procurement. It's our responsibility to upskill you also, right? That's where the step-up circles comes into the picture. Step-up circles not only give you the motivations, not only give you the energies, it also give you the cross-functional knowledge. So let's see what is there in step-up circle. So if you have missed our so many sessions on the step-up circle, you get 1 year access to step-up circle videos also. So let me also open that. So this is the step-up circle videos. And you will see so many things are there. So if you want to learn about, Fiori part, little bit of the Fiori parts, why the Fiori is there, it has been explained here. ABAP on HANA, you want to know what is ABAP on HANA, why it is used. Advanced planning tools, what is the predictive MRP, MRP live. Ariba, if you want to know, you want to know the overview of HANA migration cockpit available here. EWM, if you want to know the overview of EWM, overview of Ariba, okay, it's available here. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos. The gamifier mode of trainings, how it need to happen. HANA, what is HANA database, HANA data models, overview of FICO, overview of HANA sales, 2021 changes, QM overview, Coupa overview, PPPI overview. So many things is there, GTS overview, sourcing and procurement 2021 changes overview, IBP overview. So many modules overviews are already covered here, and very, very good and interactive sessions are there, and it will be keep on adding. So you get access to all of them. So when you take that bundles, you are not taking that 40 hours or 50 hours of course. The total number of videos, if you will count it, it will go more than 200 hours of videos. Okay, so the content is very huge. I will give you a structure how you need to cover it. Okay, so this is your continuous journey. You need to join Thursday session live to get yourself recharged with the different topics. Then at last, you need to add one advanced module. Sometimes if you have a bigger experience, 10 years, 15 years experience, you are looking for a switch, one module might not be able to work for you. So you need to add some more things also. So after the mastery, we have excellence. So we expect you to also join the excellence, and after excellence, you need to do Ariba or EWM. Okay, this you'll have to do it. You do it now, getting a job, getting some experience. Next year you do it. Whenever you do it, you'll have to do this. First mastery, then excellence, and then select one of them, Ariba or EWM, or step by step in a 2 years or 3 years of span, you can cover all these 4 trainings. Okay. If you have more experience, when you jump, you need to go with sourcing and procurement mastery, excellence, EWM, or sourcing and procurement mastery, excellence, and Ariba. That combination you need to go through. So the path can be tougher, it can be longer, but if you really want it, if you go through that path, your package will increase like anything. With sourcing and procurement combination with Ariba, sourcing and procurement combination with EWM, very few good consultants are available. So the opportunities and the packages, you will find it different level. Okay.